So as we discussed in the by giving the first keyword, that is the keyword first means then the table will be moved to the first one, and if it is needed to be after some what is the thing field means we can change it. Okay, that's we are typing it. You can see. Can you say the query alter table name, then modify? Yes,
Right.
modify. What is the thing?
And location
Which, that is which we need to change. Location want to be changed, no? So what is the location we have to give?
change.
Either location after department or salary after location.
No, location. Then what is the thing? What is the data type of location? We need that one, no? So what is the what we given?
Disk
Varchar of 20 we given, isn't it? That was the thing. So location varchar of 20 we have to give.
20
Okay.
after
After
department.
department. Okay, after department. So if we give means then you can see this. Now again I'm just using this thing. Now the entirely the location will be changed. If I use the description also, then it will be changed permanently. You can see this. So you can see the location. It will be at last. Now it will be at the next to the department or previous to the salary. Okay. So the permanently the structure of the table will be get changed. Okay, got changed. Okay. So if hereafter if you want to insert an element, insert a record, not element, insert a record into the table means we have to give in this order EMP ID, then name, then department, then location, and finally only salary. Okay. This was the order. Okay. So that's what whenever we have to do that, we have to use the keyword. We have to see the structure of the table. Whenever you want to delete or whatever update, modification, inserting element, inserting record. So whatever thing we have to see this concept. This is very important. Okay. So have you got it? How to change the that is a order of the column. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So once again, let me see the query. That is, you can see the syntax: alter table name, modify table name. That is which we want to change. Okay. So which we want to shift or move. Okay. That field name and with its data type. If it is to be first means we have to mention first, or else if we want to be some other location means we have to mention after then the particular field name. Okay. After e name means then next to the e name field that required field will be moved or shifted. Okay, that is the concept to shifting or to changing the field. Okay, have you got this one? So the changing the order of the column order. Okay, the order means in the which order, first, second, like this. Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine, good. Yes, you have any doubt?
Sir.
Okay, we are about to ask it. That's what I'm asking. Okay, now we need to add a constraint. Okay, once the table has created, afterwards how to add the constraint. We know how to set the primary key in the yesterday's there is class we have discussed. Okay, so now we need to going to check how to add a key, that is add a constraint or add a primary key, whatever key constraints after creation of table. Okay, that is, it is not recommended way, but what is the thing they are saying, in this way also we can add the constraint they given in a pop-up. Okay, but it is not recommended way. I already said that at the time of table creation itself we have to create that what we have to create the table name, that is
Primary key.
primary key or constraints, whatever we need to give, we have to use that the same time itself. Okay, so it is not recommended, but anyhow, one suppose in any emergency case, sir, now I want to set, sir, whether any possibilities are there means, of course possibilities are there, but you want to know that way also. Okay, so you can see the syntax alter table. Here we are doing the alteration. Okay, so alter table name, add which constraint we want to add. For example, primary key, or else a default constraint, or else a foreign key if you want to add. That concept is I will teach later. I already said that it's a very, if you know the basic thing, these are all the basics. If you got this all the constraints and things means you can easily come to know that. Okay, that's what I'm left as the last one. Okay, so add primary key of the field name. Which key? Sorry, which field we are applying the primary key? Okay, here in this example, employee number as a field, they are going to apply the primary key. Okay, so this is the another way to set the primary key, or else another way to set the constraints also. Okay, any constraint that is a default constraint or not null constraint, whatever thing we can add it. Okay, in the same way, what does the query means? Alter table, that is syntax means alter table name. Next is what? Add. Okay, add the constraint name of field, which field we are going to apply the constraint, particular constraint. Okay, suppose why I said that it is not recommended, why I am saying means, for example, you created the table. Okay, employee number you just given, suppose you entered already the records, suppose 2 1 you entered, the values are duplicated. So so far we didn't set the primary key means, any constraint means it won't say any objection, no, automatically the SQL will accept all the values, no. So it will accept it whenever we try to install, that is whenever we try to set the primary key for the certain field means, that time it will show the error. Okay, because it is now, for example, suppose the EMP name, it was already set, the data, that is the record also already inserted, suppose some duplicate values also there. Okay, then is it possible the EMP ID become a primary key?
No, sir.
It lost its eligibility, no, that's what I'm saying, it completely lost its eligibility, or else we need to delete that row. Okay, which row we need to find? Duplicate row. For example, 1 or 2 duplicate rows means we can delete it, because if a table is more lengthy table, number of records we inserted, okay, hundreds of records we inserted, after that finding the duplicate and what is the thing, finding the removing the duplicate values, it will be another additional task, it is a very lengthy task also. Okay, so that's what it is, I said that it is not recommended way. Okay, recommended is at the time of table creation itself, you want to well determine. Okay, so that's what, before we are creating the table, we want to know what are all the fields. Even adding a column also we can do, but we have seen, no, for example, Raj is come from Mumbai, another person is from Chennai, likewise we want to update with each one query. For example, 3 members, we can easily update the city we added as the last column, no, the last yesterday's example.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, so 3 members we can update it, suppose it is 300 people means 300 people will come from different locations, am I right? At least they may come from 30 locations, just I'm saying. It's not a group by also. For example, all the HR people, we cannot we cannot expect all the HR people from one coming from one location, and all the sales department people, I mean employee I'm saying, okay, from a same location, we cannot expect it. Okay, from different field, different department or whatever. So we have to execute the query 300 times, we need to type it. So it's additional work, no? Have you got it? Whenever the database grow, it will be a problem. That's what is the for example, certain rules are there for programmers, no, likewise it is one of the duty, not rules, it is one of the duty or concern for the database administrator. Okay, that is DBA administrator, they are saying it is very key position in the any IT field. If you are going any IT field, wherever they are using the database, so it is a very important position. The salary also more than the programmer they may get, are equal to the top programmers they may get it. Okay, because the position is very important, no? If they done a simple change, that's all, entire database will be lost. So that person will be the responsible, no? So for the things I'm saying. Okay, let me come to the thing. Suppose we lose that we need to delete all the duplicate entry, then only it is possible to make a primary key, or else whatever constraints also same conditions. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Whenever you are going to create for your project, if you are going to create a table means, just to sit and just discuss and think about it, how many fields you required, that field and all you just write in a paper. Okay, which you are going to set as a primary key, whether any problem will come or not, that you have to very clearly you have to analyze, and how to apply the constraints for each field. Any problem will occur in while we are entering the data, or else in future if anything will occur, that and all you have to calculate it. You should have a very long vision. Okay, that is long side you should have. Then you have to create the table means, it will be fine, it will be works very well, and for a long time there is no need to do modification. Of course we can determine up to certain years only. After that the system has changed, or else new technology we are involving means, definitely we have to do some modification. That time we can do it, not an issue. Have you got it? So that is not a matter, but up to certain level we have to think it. Have you got it? Why I'm saying this much of mine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because future you should not suffer it. That's what future means. I'm not talking about your career, I'm talking about while you are doing this project, I'm saying. Okay, so this is the point I have to make it to you. Okay, have you understand that how to set the primary key means? You can see not only primary key, whatever constraint also. Okay, so we have seen 6 constraints, no? So apart from that, I mean, we are going to see. So that one of the constraint we have already seen, primary key constraint, default constraint. Okay, so how to add the constraint after the creation of table means, this is the query. I'm repeating the syntax. Okay, alter table name, add constraint name of field name, add constraint name of field name. This is the proper way for it. Have you got it? Do you all understand this today's concept? We all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Okay. Okay, students, today you have the test also, chapter 6. That is, chapter 6 means in your book,
Data structure.
data structure 1 is there. If you are the Sumit Arora book, 2 chapters it is divided. Okay, the entire data structure they divide into two chapters. That is data structure 1 and data structure 2. Okay, the data structure 1, it consists of linked list. There is entirely list or array basic concepts. Okay, then linked list, singly linked list, doubly linked list, and programs, how to insert an element, and sorting. That is, we have used the bisect module. Can you remember it? Bisect module, bisect function, insert function. I will recap it. That is,
Yes, sir.
these functions we have seen. Okay, that binary search, linear search. Okay, in the list, linked list. Okay, so that concept will be your data structure 1, and data structure 2 is stack and queue. What is the stack definitions we have seen? No, pop, push, peek, these things and all, and NQ, DQ, front and rear end in the queue. Okay, this is only one-ended. No, so that concept, that basic concepts and its programs, application program also. Okay, so the library, book arranging or ticket reservation. Okay, real-time programs, how to use the stack and queue. That thing there. Okay, kindly unmuted. Somebody is Ranjit. Yes. So just understand this concept, and I mean, this concept and all, you go through it. Apart from that book, in your book, one more concept is there. That is notations, infix notation, prefix notation, and postfix notation. That will be very easy. Okay, Ranjit, not an issue. So that is very easy concept only. How the operator precedence we have seen in the first chapter. No, the same concept, but little bit we need more exercise. Okay, then only we'll get the complete concept. So later part I will teach it, not an issue. That's what I skipped that part. It is not that much of big thing, and you have to concentrate on linked list and its types and all the operations. That is insert, bisect modules, and stack and queue and all its terms and operations, and with the programs. That is very important. Okay, so well prepare for that. Write and send to my. You can post in the Google Classroom or else WhatsApp or email, whatever way you can send that, just for token of acknowledgement. Have you done it or not? Okay, that is the thing. Keep the paper safely. They are planning to open the school. That time I will collect all the papers and I will do the manual correction and I will give the marks also. Okay, so far we are in this, including the test, I am going to conduct 6 offline tests. Okay, all the papers, keep it ready. Then we will see you soon, I think so, if it is means. Okay, all the best for all. Prepare well. Okay, anything else you want to clarify regarding the today's test? You may ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, pa. Right, well, okay. And today concept also, just after the class gets over, prepare it. 2:30 I will post it. Okay, I will post the question paper, or else 2 o'clock shall I post now itself. I can post it. You can find the time, you can start to write it. Okay, I will post in the Google Classroom also, and I will post immediately in our WhatsApp group also. Okay, students, thank you. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
once again I have to repeat it, isn't it? Okay, let I will say that. So here you can see that we set the primary key. For example, whatever constraint we set, if you want to remove the constraint, for example, you applied the check constraint. Okay, suppose in the same case, in our, we have seen, no, for example, it's showing the error, but we don't know what is the error is there. What is the exact value? We don't know. No, for example, greater than or 10,000. We didn't find the value, means we can remove the constraints also. this is it might will be useful. It won't affect the database, because what is the thing, except the primary key it will allowing the duplicate entry, but we can remove the things, and again we can set the limit also. Okay, suppose that is the thing. For example, the school has decided minimum they have to pay 10,000, means that we have set the constraint equal to 10,000 or greater than 10,000 we have set. Suppose now the school has decided, okay, now the lockdown has over, for example, okay, you have to pay the first term fee, that is for example 20,000 or 30,000, means we have to update the constraint, means we cannot update it, but what we can do, we can drop the constraint, that is we can delete the constraint, and once again we can establish the constraint also. Okay, that you know it. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, we cannot hear you.
Yeah, that is I
Sir,
got.
உங்க வாய்ஸ் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது சார்.
Okay, now is okay. Now is it okay?
சார் உங்க வாய்ஸ் பிரேக் ஆகுது சார்.
Yes, sir, it's breaking.
It's breaking. Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now okay, sir.
Fine. Okay. So in between I got the call, that's what. Okay. So what is the thing means? If
The
they
Kirba
want...
join.
Oh, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Kribanandam. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, Kribanandam. Okay, you have joined in this. Okay. Okay, but nothing. Okay. Voice, I think, is audible, no, to everybody?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
He has some problem. He's saying that voice is not audible. Okay. Let me see that. I mean, if you want to remove the constraint, and once again, if you want to, with the updated value, we can add the constraint also, it is possible, because just now we have seen how to add a constraint after the table has created, even after has record has inserted. Okay, let me do how to remove the constraint. You can see this selected one, not in the yellow lane. I'm just dragging the mouse. You can see alter table name, drop the constraint name. That is the thing, the box, you can see this. Okay, let me do literally 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, now we will see alter. That's what we are about to type. Okay, alter first table name. That is student is the table name.
Student.
Okay, alter table name, drop. For
Drop.
example, you
Drop.
want to check the constraint. Check constraint means we can give like that. Okay.
Check.
Sir, query the approach.
I think
Yes, sir.
we do it. Okay. For
At
example,
last, check of field name we have to give, sir.
we have to, yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Check off. What is the field name? Fee.
Fee. Yes, sir.
That's also error. Okay. The check constraint always gives some error.
Uh,
Not an issue. I will rectify it. Not an issue. Okay. P is field name. Okay. Not a name. Just accept it. Okay. Okay. Let me do it.
sir, try for the full syntax, like greater than or equal to 10,000.
That we are set, no, for setting purpose only, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course. Let me try. Let me have a try. 10,000
Yes, sir.
only we given, no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is also it will show error.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, but not an issue. Let me do
Somewhere.
it. We do it 1 minute. Okay.
Okay,
சார்
sir.
சப்போஸ் செக் பண்ணாம ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க சார். சும்மா
I didn't get it.
சார் செக் ஃபங்க்ஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணாம சும்மா போட்டுக்கோங்க சார்.
சும்மா போட்டு
For what? That's what I'm asking.
சார் ஆல்டர்
remove the check
டேபிள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ட்ராப். ஆமா சார், அது செக் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க சார்.
Okay. So
அப்படி போட்டா ஒண்ணுமே வராது.
what is the use, man? That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, let me use this. What we have used. Hello.
Sir.
Yeah, audible, no?
Sir, audible,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
because I'm getting that that is internet
Stable thing.
table. That's what that's what I asked you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me type the syntax. Okay, alter table. Let me try again once again. Okay, here I got one query, that is we have to mention the constraint. Okay, so alter table. Okay, let you note down also if it is works means. Okay, alter table name, that is student and what is the thing, alter table name, drop. Okay, we need to drop the things. Constraint, we will just type it. Constraints or constraint. Okay, only one constraint. and name, constraint name, that is check.
சார் கன்ஸ்ட்ரெயின்க்கு TR வரணும் சார், நீங்க R போடல சார்.
Yes, yes. TR. Good man, good, very good. Constraints, okay. So drop constraint check. Okay, check is a constraint. Suppose we have to give means, let me do it. Okay, I think it's also an error. Okay, let me try it. Okay, we given properly, I think so. Alter table name we given, that is student only table name. Okay, constraint check only, it's problem. CONSTRAINT, correct. Constraint name is correct only. Okay. Okay, let me check it. It is correct only. Anyhow, I will try it.
Yes,
One more method is there that I will try it. Check underscore. What is the field name? Fee, no? Fee. Let me try this method. Structure showing error. CHECK. Okay, I given the space. Okay, I will tell it later. Okay, so not an issue. How to okay, not an issue. How to remote? Let me discuss in the tomorrow class. Okay, I will go to the slide. Okay, or else you will see that in this next slide. Drop directly. They are asking it. They are asking this thing only. That is primary key. That is check constraint. Or else check constraint shall be give. Check only. That's name is. His name is constraint.
sir.
Check only. Okay, let me see it. Yes, yes, Ram. Yes.
That only, sir.
Okay, okay. So here,
After
what is?
check, yeah.
Okay, let me try it in a different case. Okay, I will just take the book and I will check it. Okay, so not an issue. So here, how to drop the constraint? For example, primary key. Normally, if you want to remove the primary key, means we can use this constraint. That is alter table name, drop primary key. Let me try it. As Chandru said, let me do drop the primary key. No. Okay, drop primary key. Okay, I am typing it. Whether it is accepting or not, we will check it. Okay, what's showing error? Of course, it's okay now. Okay, it's working now. You can see it. Now I will describe the table. 1 minute. Describe student. Okay, describe student I given. You can see before what we said, roll number as a primary key. No, now it has removed.
Yes sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
got it. Okay,
Yes,
that is
sir.
okay. Primary key we can remove it. I will tell for the check constraint how to remove the check constraint in SQL. Okay, that I will tell it. Okay, good. So that is okay. Check constraint we will let me remove the unique constraint also. Okay, let me try it.
Okay,
Drop
sir.
unique. Okay, just we have a try.
Unique.
That's
all.
all,
Unique
sir.
key shall be typed.
That's all sir.
Okay, it is not.
No, sir. Key should not come.
Okay, so rest of the syntax, rest of the constraints, I think another method is there. Let me
Sir,
try.
whether this
So mention பண்ணி
method is
பாருங்க சார்.
only
Mention exam number போட்டு.
sir, maybe this method is only used for primary key, not for other keys. Like that, it may be, sir.
Maybe, but we have a chances also there. I have seen to remove the constraints. That is possible, but here it's not working. Okay, that I will check it.
சார் பேசாம மென்ஷன் பண்ணி பாருங்க சார்.
Oh, that is not. What mention, man? That's what I'm asking.
சார் எக்ஸாம் நம்பர் யூனிக் போட்டுக்காங்க சார். கடைசில யூனிக்னு போட்டு ஆஃப் போட்டு எக்ஸாம் நம்பர் போட்டு பாருங்க சார்.
Field name you are asking to tell.
ஆமா சார்.
Okay, let me try it. Not sure. It's also showing, man. We already tried. No, with the data type also we given with I think for fees things we given the constraint also, isn't it? Have we got it? I mean, we tried it previously. Okay,
Yes,
anyhow,
sir.
I will tell it. It's not a big deal. It may be some small thing, mistakes we may done here. Of course, check constraint. It is checking us. Okay, it will be fine. Okay, let me go to the another one concept. Okay, for example, suppose we are using primary key is not a simple thing. It's a big thing. What is the thing? It may related to the foreign key. Suppose next topic is foreign key only. Okay, So whenever, okay, but if it is the primary key is synchronized with the any other foreign key means, okay, you may have that. If you have the clarification means you just it's okay, or else means just hold the point. Whenever we are coming to the foreign key, you may ask the question, same question, sir, how to do it? Okay, suppose the foreign key we set as a primary key means, okay, alter table, there is table name, drop primary key, cascade we have to give. Okay, two type of cascades are there. Whenever we are deleting that, it want to reflect in the child table also. That is called as on delete cascade. Okay, so whenever update the value in the parent table, that want to reflect in the child table also, that is on update cascade. That I will teach in the primary key, sorry, foreign key concept. Okay, so if you want to delete a primary key, that is a foreign key of that will be a foreign key of the child table means, okay, we have to use that. Better I will teach foreign key, then you can understand this. This slide also just keep it as pending.
Okay, sir.
This concept also I will teach it. That's the example they given it. Okay, because I want to show that we want to create the two tables with the parent table as well as the child table, or else master table as well as the child table. We have to set the primary key also and foreign key. Okay, then we can go ahead with the example. Okay. So dropping a table at last, let me conclude this one. It's an easy one. Drop the table. If you want to delete all the values means, as I, there is a, if you want to delete a table means, how to delete means, this is the syntax. Drop table, table name. Okay, let me try with another table. I'm just using the show table command. Okay, show tables.
சார் ஒரு நிமிஷம் காட்டுங்க சார், நான் ஏறிக்கிறேன்.
Yes, I will show that. Now here we are going to type no. Let me see that. Okay, for example, suppose we want to delete emp dupe 3. The table if you want to delete means, what is the syntax means? Drop. Okay, drop table, table name. What is the table name? Emp dup3. Okay, that will be the table name means. Have you got it? Drop table, table name. If we give means, then the table will be get deleted. Again, I am showing the show tables. You can see dupe3 has deleted no previous thing. You can
Yes,
see
sir.
this. Yeah. Here it is there.
Yes,
After
sir.
we executed the command, the table has deleted. I mean, table has deleted. Okay. So this is the way to delete a table. Delete your database also same thing. Now we won't do it. Later part I will show that. That is drop database. Okay. That is database name.
Sir,
You means
sir, for check constraint, INEA has sent some
name.
syntax, sir. Sorry, query, sir.
Yeah, please. Can you
Shall
say
I
that?
tell it? Alter
please.
table,
Okay.
table name, student.
1 minute. Alter table, table name.
Table name,
Is
student.
student.
Yes, sir.
Student.
Drop,
Drop.
check.
Check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then chk
Continuously
space
or they
chk
have to
space chk underscore fee column name.
Column name. Let me try it.
Yes, sir.
Not okay. That is not found in the things. Okay, I'm just giving the select all from what is the table name? Student, no?
Student.
It's also not working now. Okay, I'm just using the scribe also. DSC.
Yes, sir.
Student. Okay, it's okay. Now, for example, as you said, let me try it. What you said? That is alter table table name. CHK underscore. That is the field name. We
Yes,
given
sir.
field name is P. Even though it's not working, man. Okay, let me try it. Okay, I will also try with that thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, not an issue. Okay, good, Inivel. Thanks for you and the remaining students also. Good. So today I hope you you don't we done that many concepts. Okay, that is how to add a record. I mean, what we have seen, how to drop the column, and what are the things we have seen. Drop the table we have discussed. Okay, drop the primary key, especially primary key, how to drop the constraint alone. Primary key alone we have discussed. Okay, and modifying the that is that we have seen in the last class. Okay, adding a constraints, how to add a constraint we have discussed, and check constraint we done it today. Okay, so this concept we have covered. Tomorrow we will complete the check I mean how to remove the remaining constraints, check constraints, unique constraint. Okay, how to remove the remaining constraint, let me see. Then we are entering to the another topic. That's last topic of the chapter is foreign key. Okay, so once we complete foreign key, how to set the foreign key, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
use of the foreign key, just a small concept only. So once we completed means the chapter, I mean this chapter will be completed, and 2 more chapters are there in the SQL. Okay, students, we will see you tomorrow. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Okay.